Now we are.
Okay, here's Bandit, my cat, but he won't look at the cam. He's too shy. Bandit, look.
No.
Bandit. Look at the cam. He's being a good boy for a change, sitting on my leg instead of running around carrying on.
Well, I think he's liking himself for doing something.
Yeah, he is. Bandit. Bandit, can you talk? Can you talk, Bandit? You gonna type, Bandit? Bandit, here. Bandit, he doesn't want to see you. Come here. Here, Bandit. There you go.
There we go.
There you go, Bandit. See? You're on candy camera.
Yep.
There you go, sweetie.
No.
Okay, it's time to let Bandit go. He's getting a little bit restless.
Yeah. It's close that I can.
Yeah, get a close-up of Bandit. He's looking at himself. Say his name.
Bandit.
No, he's not looking. Bandit, look at hands.
Good boy. He's a good boy.
Oh, he's looking at himself again.